Okay, this is day number, I don't know, 100 and something of getting rich with AI. And today we have a tool for beginners that they say is AI mastery because it has an AI team. So we're gonna see if it take our ideas and turn it into some paper. Let's get into it. People, the tool of the day is called Coursiv. Now they reached out to me and said this tool was fire. It can help a lot of people earn some paper. So I'm going to give my full and honest review of the tool. Let's see what it's talking about. All right, so here's the website. It's showing you pretty much how it works. You're going to learn how AI can increase your income and improve your life. Over 800,000 people have joined and used this tool. All right, so let's learn a little bit about it and why people love it. It's quick and easy to follow. You can learn AI in just 15 minutes a day. So it's perfect for any age and experience level. They have multiple learning formats, so you can choose from audio lessons, step-by-step guides, interactive courses to suit your style. It's accessible anytime, anywhere. So the app is available in both the App Store and the Play Market, so you can learn on the go. I told you about that earlier. It's practical and it's actionable. Gain hands-on experience with your AI tools, which can apply immediately to increase your income potential. Look at these 3 steps so we can get started. So the first thing is you're going to get your personal learning plan. It says it's going to begin by defining the goals. Okay. Step 2, learn the skills you need. Easy to follow lessons will guide you through the practical hands-on learning. Okay. Step 3, master your AI goals. Master AI for your goals. Once you've learned the basics, you'll dive deeper into applying AI. All right. So let me just make sure this is legit. All right, so Trustpilot over here says it has 44,000 reviews, 4.4 stars out of 5. So it looks legit on this side. All right, they claim to have 90,000 prompts written. Let's get started. Let's see how we can use it right now to get some paper. All right, so we don't have a login. Let's press start now. Now, when we press start now, it says AI-driven income. Pick your gender. Only 2. What a delight. This is beautiful. Male, obviously. We're gonna go, what age do we want? Let's do, all right, 25 to 34. AI won't replace humans, but humans with AI will replace humans without AI. I agree with that a ton. Let's press continue. What's the main goal? So we want to grow wealth, be our own boss, financial freedom, travel the world, professional growth, or work-life balance. Let's pick financial freedom. What income source are you most familiar with? We're going to do passive income. Most of y'all that watch this video, y'all want to know how to make passive. So what is your schedule like, your work schedule? Hours are flexible. What are challenges you're feeling with your current job? So let's see, you're feeling a little underpaid. You got financial dependence. Let's do that. Let's go to next step. Thank you for sharing. We'll do our best to help you. We help more than 100,000 people. And you see you got the little AI picture there. Okay. How do you feel about your financial situation? I would like to have more stability. I'm comfortable, but I want more cheese. You're on the right track. And every time you press, what it's doing is taking the data, it seems, and it's putting it into their database. And they're giving you, I guess, little mini milestones and letting you know little facts about it. So what's the annual income level you want to achieve? More than a honey bun. I need more than $100,000. Do you wish you had more control over your work hours and location? Would you enjoy a job where something else does the routine for you? It's a dream. What would you do with the time saved from cutting out boring tasks? We're just speeding through to kind of give y'all the example. What would you enjoy a job? Would you enjoy a job that matches your interests? Obviously, absolutely. When you love what you do, you live longer and live better, huh? How much do you know about digital business? I'm well informed about it. Have you ever explored ways to earn money beyond regular work? Freelance? Are you comfortable learning new skills? Yes. What AI tools are you familiar with? You know what? Let's just assume that we're new. This is for all of y'all that's watching this video. Let's assume you're new to AI tools and to AI overall. Rate your knowledge of content writing. We'll put intermediate. We'll just put intermediate for everything. Did you know that AI tools may boost your income potential even further? Yes, I've heard it. It's a lot of damn questions. So it shows you there's 23 questions. So let's get through this. We will just click off a couple of these. We want to use it for social media, digital marketing. They got video editing, content creation, graphic design. We're going to see if it really can do this stuff too, by the way. All right, rate your readiness. I'm ready. Let's go. Yes, I find it easy to stay focused. One last question. Is there something special you wish to achieve? I want to buy a car. How much time are you ready to spend to achieve your goal? 20 minutes a day. So there's no excuse for y'all. It said you're going to be an AI master by September. So you see in real time, this is creating your personal challenge. Okay, so we got a personal challenge on our hands. Let's see what it does. All right, put your email in. After you put your email in, it gives you your readiness level. So it says after 4 weeks, this is where I'm predicted to be. Let's go to continue. All right, so your AI skills is moderate, income is limited. AI skills high, your income potential is high. AI is easier than you think. Okay. So look, it's telling you this is how much you're going to have to spend if you want financial freedom for your target goal of getting a car. So go to get your plan. Oh, and I do want to interrupt this video to let you know they do have a mobile application as well. So you can get paid from the phone or from the computer. So there's really no excuse. Okay. Thank you, Deborah. Okay. One thing I will say about this tool is that it is dope, but there is a lot of opportunities they want you to pay. So everything's behind a paywall, it seems, when you want to start unlocking and using different things. Let me show you. So right here, they have a prompt library that's fire. And so you can choose all these different things. Let's say we have an e-com business, right? And you want to learn, strengthen your customer base, okay? So you can unlock all 30,000 of these, but of course you have to pay. But the cool thing about this is that it's very affordable. So you're looking to pay, I just paid $5 and now I'm able to use the tool, but everything's affordable, but you do have to pay. Now, for free, you can use their built-in AI tool, and you see they're using ChatGPT as a language model. You do get a few credits as well. So we asked, what are the benefits of building a strong, loyal customer base? And it gives you a lot of answers right here. And again, this is based on your knowledge. What knowledge you think you have. So all the prompts you need to start using ChatGPT to earn income are going to be right here. You can discover the best AI tool because they have DALL-E, Midjourney, and different things installed here that you can use. Here's my favorite things about this tool. So you see right here is a 14-day AI side gig challenge. So when you join this, it's showing you what's your level of knowledge with AI. We picked beginner because there's no excuse. Now y'all can't complain and say, oh, we don't know. Everybody can get started, even beginners. So when you join now, by the end of this 14 days, it's saying, hey, look, we going to show you different ways that you can start earning online, whether you want to be a freelance writer or a product reviewer, a text typer, whatever you want to be. All of these things are here, and it's making sure that it locks some of the modules. So you have to go through this to actually say that you learned it, because you have to retain the knowledge. So it's saying in 14 days you can use AI, and it's showing you how. They also have a 28-day challenge. So look, when we join this, look at all these tools. It's saying that we will know how to use, but not just how to use so we can get money, to get paid. So it's going to show you every day when all these modules in under 20 minutes a day, how you can start using AI to get paid. It's literally crazy. Okay, so some of the stuff is hidden behind paywalls, but there are a lot of things you can do for free. Like, look, every time you finish a lesson, you get credits. The credits you get allow you to unlock different things in the application. So I think that's fire. It allows you to check in, hold you accountable, gives you some discipline. So if you show up every day, you'll get credits every day. That I do love. I love the 28-day challenge. I love the 14-day challenge. When you go over here to guides, they have a bunch of different guides for you, and you can pick any tool you want to use. So any language model, large language model you want to use, Stable Diffusion, DeepSeek, ChatGPT. So a lot of y'all, if you're new to this, you're going to want to learn all of these. And if you already are a little advanced with AI, you just pick the one that you already like. And here they have step-by-step how you can use each one. Let me show you this. Under AI tools, this is something I think that is pretty special and pretty cool. So even though I did pay $5 to use this, what you can do is create images. You can give advice, generate ideas, summarize text, analyze data, and you can even translate into different languages, bro. So if you have a picture you want to upload and you want to know what language translated in, it can do it. What language is the text in or whatever, it can do that. It can create an image for you. It can do all these things, and it shows you, if you want to create an image, what it's going to use to do such. You want to use ChatGPT 4.0, Stable Diffusion, Perplexity, all these things. You can pick what you want. So overall, I think this tool is fire. If you're a brand new person, you're a newbie to getting paper, and you're new to AI, I think this is a great tool for you to check out because it holds you accountable. It gives you discipline. Everything is literally powered by AI, even the questions you ask. So all the most frequent asked questions that you have will be right here, and you can ask them over and over and over again, and they'll walk you through. The second thing I like about this is that you can't unlock different modules until you actually go through. So if you want to do the 14-day challenge, you actually have to go step by step by step. So it's ensuring that you're learning. Nothing's handoutish here. You know what I mean? Yeah. So that's what I think of the tool. I think it's pretty fire. If you are a beginner, if you're already earning $8,000 to $10,000 to $15,000 a month, this may not be the tool for you unless you want to brush up your knowledge and you want to change your level of knowledge to expert here, it'll probably start giving you answers around that. But if you are a beginner and you don't know much about AI, I suggest you check it out. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. Like the video. Let me know what you think of this tool. Rank it on a scale of 1 to 10. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. Subscribe to the channel and make sure you tell your auntie I said hello. You did!